Hi, district leaders. I'm Victoria from Khan Academy. We're excited to share with you some groundbreaking work that we're doing when it comes to student assessments. We know districts are swamped with solutions that provide endless data, but fail to deliver real, actionable insights that lead to greater student achievement. As we reimagine the Khan Academy experience for teaching and learning, we are now also introducing interim assessments. Assessments that not only measure progress, but give instructional leaders and teachers data, insights, and personalized student learning journeys to accelerate outcomes. I'll start by showing you what's already available, and then we'll look at what's coming in the near future. This all builds on our use of responsible, effective AI. As part of a 45-minute assessment, students will see a range of item types, including a two-part Explain Your Thinking or EYT item, facilitated by our new Socratic conversational AI tool for assessments, Conductor. After students respond to a more traditional item type, Conductor asks thoughtful follow-up questions about the test concept to surface a student's deeper reasoning, uncovering conceptual understandings, and even unfinished learning that traditional right or wrong items can't reveal. Also, we're really inspired seeing that through the conversation with Conductor, we're noticing that students are able to show more of what they know, even if they don't answer the question correctly. A lot of research has gone into developing Conductor and its ability to gauge a student's thinking. We're equally focused on how those insights are reported in clear, usable ways to equip administrators and teachers with the tools needed to turn those insights into stronger instruction and faster learning recovery. This is where our reports come in, designed to deliver clear, comprehensive assessment reporting for all stakeholders. Teachers and administrators receive more than just scores. They get deep, qualitative insights derived from these EYT chats. Assessment scores automatically generate personalized learning paths in the reimagined Khan Academy ecosystem, providing a clear roadmap to grade level success for every student. Students build agency as they track their performance and progress, celebrating success along the way with positive reinforcement and incentives. We are excited to offer you early access to this transformative teaching, learning, and assessment solution. Partner with us to give your students the opportunity to remediate unfinished learning and accelerate their journeys to grade level success and on-time graduation.